Conversion of one flip-flop to another flip-flop. If one flip-flop is given, then how to convert it into another flip-flop? For the conversion, here some characteristics equation required. Okay. What is mean by characteristics equation of the flip-flop? We know that in the flip-flop, here Qn is the present state. It is also said to be past state. Okay. And Qn plus 1, it is said to be next state. If Qn is the past, then present is Qn plus 1. If Qn is the present and Qn plus 1 is the next. Keep in the mind, Qn is the present, Qn plus 1 is the next. अगर हम Qn present में कंसिडर कर रहे हैं तो Qn plus 1 is next state. अगर हम Qn ये past state कंसिडर कर रहे हैं तो Qn plus 1 is present state. Keep in the mind, whenever we define the Qn plus 1 for SR flip-flop, for JK flip-flop, for T flip-flop, for D flip-flop, then it is said to be characteristic equation of flip-flop. Okay. The characteristic equation of SR flip-flop, how it is see here. Whenever we discuss the characteristic equation of SR flip-flop, then how it is? Qn plus 1 which is equal to S plus R bar Qn. This is the characteristic equation of SR flip-flop. S, R and Qn, these are the SR is input and Qn is the present state. Then S, R and Qn, whatever available presently, Qn, S are the input of the SR flip-flop. Then here it defines characteristic equation defines Qn plus 1 next state. Okay, next state of the flip-flop when we define, then that is said to be characteristic equation by using S, R and Qn. For SR flip-flop, keep in the mind always Qn plus 1 next state is defined which is equal to S plus R bar Qn. Okay, S, R and Qn. Okay, based on it we can find here Qn plus 1, value of Qn plus 1 next state. For D flip-flop, for the D flip-flop, see here delay flip-flop, the next state defined as whatever D, it is said to be next state. Okay, whatever the data input, it is said to be next state. Okay, here there is not any Qn. D flip-flop, keep in the mind Qn plus 1, characteristic equation of D flip-flop is Qn plus 1 which is equal to D. Okay, this is required in the conversion of flip-flop. Okay, this is very important when we consider any counter design, synchronous counter design, then these equations are needed. Okay, these are very important equations. That is said to be what? Characteristic equation of flip-flops. Characteristic equation of flip-flop means it defines Qn plus 1 by using input and present state. Okay, here whatever the input, it is Qn plus 1 in the D flip-flop, that is Qn plus 1 which is equal to D. T flip-flop, for T flip-flop, Qn plus 1 which is equal to here T Qn bar plus T bar Qn. T is the one of the input for the T flip-flop and Qn is the present state. Then exclusive operation T and Qn bar Qn, here in between that the exclusive operation, like that T Qn bar plus T bar Qn, it is defined as next state of the T flip-flop. Keep in the mind T flip-flop, always T flip-flop for that Qn plus 1 which is equal to T Qn bar plus T bar Qn. Okay, it is the exclusive of present state and that is single input. For JK flip-flop, how it is? JK flip-flop, the Qn plus 1 is defined as J Qn bar plus K bar Qn. Okay, it is the characteristic equation of JK flip-flop. This is required in the conversion of the flip-flop and whenever we performing the design by using any type of flip-flop in the counter, synchronous counter. Okay, here for the synchronous counter or any conversion to two parts very important. First is the characteristic equation and second is the excitation table. Okay, these are the characteristic equations. See here, what are the characteristic equation? When we define the present state and when we define the next state with input, then characteristic equation defines the next state of the flip-flop. If suppose SR flip-flop, characteristic equation given as Qn plus 1 which is equal to S plus R bar Qn. For D flip-flop, characteristic equation given as Qn plus 1 which is equal to D input. Okay, T flip-flop, Qn plus 1 which is equal to T Qn bar plus T bar Qn. For JK flip-flop, characteristic equation given as Qn plus 1 which is equal to J Qn bar plus K bar Qn. Okay. After that, what is mean by excitation table? See here, this is also very important part. Whenever we are going to design any type of counter, synchronous counter or any type of conversion, this excitation table which is very important. What is that excitation table means? What? See here, Qn is the present state, Qn plus 1 is the next state. See here, 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1. If present state is 0, next state is 0, then what are the inputs of SR? What are the inputs of JK? What is the input of D? What is the input of T? SR, JK, T, D. These are the different types of flip-flops. Then see here, for the excitation table for SR flip-flop, see here, whenever present state is 0, next state is 0, 0 don't care. It is said to be whenever there is transition from present state to next state and present state is 0 and next state is 0, then 0 don't care. It is the value. If suppose present state is 0 and next state is 1 1 0, it is the value for S and R. Okay, 0 0, S which is equal to 0, R is don't care. 0, if present state is 0, next state is 1, S is 1 0. Okay, if Qn is 1 0, then 0 1, keep in the mind, and 1 1 don't care, 0. Okay, this is for SR. How to keep in the mind? See here, for JK, whatever available in SR, that is if present state is 0, next state is 0, 0 don't care. If present state is 0, next state is 1, then in JK 1 don't care. Present state is 0, next state is 0, don't care 1, and present state is 1, next state is 1, then this is don't care 0. Okay, here in the characteristic equation, by using S, R and Qn, we defined this Qn plus 1. Okay, this comes from the characteristic equation, the excitation table. How it comes? See here, whenever we consider here a present state and next state, then we can define S and R. Okay, how to keep in the mind? See here, for the D flip-flop, D which is equal to Qn plus 1, whatever in the Qn plus 1, it is same for the D. Okay, 0 1 0 1. And for the T, here T exclusive of this Qn and Qn plus 1, 0 0 0 1 1 0 exclusive 1 exclusive 1 0 0 exclusive 0 0. This 0 exclusive 1 is 1, 1 exclusive 0 is 1. How to keep in the mind? First only SR का आप अगर mind में रखते हैं 0 0 0 don't care, 0 1 उसका उल्टा 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 don't care 0. Okay, when we keep this SR excitation table for SR flip-flop in our mind, then we can easily do that terms. See here, what is the difference between SR and JK? If suppose present state is 0, next state is 0, then this SR, and same in JK, present state is 0, next state is 1 1 0. Okay, 0 1 1 0, and 1 don't care. What if there is 0, then consider in JK it is don't care. Then 1 0 0 1 don't care, 0 don't care 1, like that. And this as it is. D means Qn plus 1, whatever the next state, it is for the D. And for T exclusive, this if suppose same 0 exclusive 0 0 1 exclusive 1 0, in other case this is 1 1. Okay. Now how to convert one type of flip-flop into another? Okay. See here, SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop. How to convert SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop? Means which flip-flop it is given here? SR flip-flop. We have to convert here SR flip-flop to JK flip-flop. See here, SR to JK flip-flop means given flip-flop is SR flip-flop. We have to convert into JK flip-flop. See here, first of all, in the first step, here we define the conversion model. How it is? See here, first is the generalized model. Okay, whatever given flip-flop here, given flip-flop is SR flip-flop, because SR to JK means we need to convert SR flip-flop into JK flip-flop. Therefore write down that SR, these two input terminal, clock is given here, this is the clock, this is the given flip-flop, and output of the flip-flop is always complement. Therefore for the SR flip-flop, these are the output, QN and QN bar, these are the output. When we consider here, this is said to be conversion logic. In that logic, this step also needed, QN and QN bar, these are also connected here. And with JK means whenever we consider whole this flip-flop, it is said to be what? Conversion of the flip-flop. Okay, from SR to JK. How it is? This is the generalized model. It is not exact model. Only keep in the mind here it is the given flip-flop, and here it is the conversion logic. We need to calculate the conversion logic. How to calculate the conversion logic? Second step is our truth table. Truth table is the very important part. See here how it is the truth table. When we consider this truth table for here SR to JK flip-flop, okay, see here problem, SR to JK flip-flop means if suppose SR it is the given flip-flop and destination flip-flop is JK flip-flop, whatever here destination flip-flop, take first of all in the truth table. Means our truth table is like that, SR to JK. If suppose, then consider J, K, QN, QN plus 1 and S and R, like that truth table. अगर दूसरा होता है SR to D होता, D QN, QN plus 1 SR, like that. See here, like that only we need to consider here the truth table. How it is? We need to convert SR to JK. Therefore JK QN. Okay, अगर JK to SR होता तो SR QN अगर ऐसा लेते हम, यहाँ पे SR to JK है, जिसमें भी हमें कन्वर्ट करना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेक this is as input in the truth table. Okay, JK QN, consider these are the inputs. Okay, JK, these are the input terminal and QN is the present state. Consider next state. Okay, consider this is QN to QN plus 1, this is said to be transition state, and S and R given flip-flop. Okay, here conversion is SR to JK. Okay, therefore जिसमें भी हमें कन्वर्ट करना है SR to JK है तो JK QN फर्स्ट लीजिए ट्रूथ टेबल में, देन लीजिए QN plus 1 नेक्स्ट स्टेट, देन लीजिए ट्रांजिशन स्टेट QN to QN plus 1, देन लीजिए S and R. ओके, ये समझ में आया. देन हियर JK QN, these are the three inputs. Therefore possible combinations are 8, 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, K 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1, J 0 0 0 0 4 times 1. Okay, these are the inputs. Now what about the QN plus 1? How to find the QN plus 1? We know that here what is the characteristic equation of JK flip-flop. Okay, characteristic equation of JK flip-flop is QN plus 1 which is equal to JQN bar plus K bar QN. It is the characteristic equation of JK flip-flop. By using this characteristic equation we can calculate, we have the value of J, we have the value of QN, we have the value of K. Therefore by using this value we can consider as QN plus 1. Okay, we can find the value qn plus 1. Then how it is, how to find the value? See here, अभी प्रॉब्लम की तरफ जाते हैं. qn plus 1 which is equal to, okay, क्या था इक्वेशन? See here, j qn bar plus k bar qn. It is the characteristic equation of jk flip flop. Okay, jk flip flop. This is j qn bar plus k bar qn. It is the characteristic equation of jk flip flop. We have the values, we know j, we have k, we have qn. Then we can calculate qn plus 1. qn plus 1 which is equal to what? What is the characteristic equation of the jk flip flop? If हमें पता है jk qn, then what is the characteristic equation? j qn bar plus k bar qn. j qn bar plus k bar qn. Okay, then see here, qn plus 1, j is 0, qn bar 1, okay, 1, therefore plus k is 0, qn bar. So what is the value? 0 into 1, it is 0, plus k bar 1, qn 0. Okay, right, first value is 0, like that. j qn bar means this is 0, plus k bar is यहाँ पे 0 है, means 1, qn, k bar 1 into 1, okay, right. Then next, j qn bar, j 0, 1, then 0, k bar means 1 का bar 0, qn 0, okay, j 0, qn bar 0, k bar 0, qn 1, 0, right. j is 1, j qn bar 0 है तो 1 into 1 हो जाएगा, 1 or anything, it is 1, okay, that is 1. j is 1, j 1 into qn bar 0, 1 into 0, plus k bar is 0 है तो 1, k bar qn means 0 bar 1 into 1, j qn bar means 1 into 1 or anything 1, therefore आगे का सोचने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. This one, j qn bar में 0, k bar में 0, qn 0. This is the characteristic equation. By using the characteristic equation, j qn bar plus k bar qn. Okay, by using that characteristic equation for the jk flip flop, we calculate here qn plus 1. We find the values qn plus 1. Okay, next is, this is said to be transition state. Transition state means present to next state. This is called transition state. How it is? See here, this is present state, this is next state, means 0 to 0, 1 to 1, 1 to 1, 0 to 0, 0 0, 1 0, 1 0, 0 1, 0 1, as it is, 1 1, 1 1, 0 1, 0 1, 1 0, 1 0, qn to qn plus 1. Why it is? Because we have the excitation table. If suppose present state is 0, next state is 0, then what is the value of S and R? What are the values of S and R? 0 0, by seeing in the excitation table of SR flip flop. See here, for excitation table, this is the excitation table for SR flip flop. If present state is 0, next state is 0, 0 don't care, S which is equal to 0, R which is equal to don't care. If present state is 0, next state is 1, 0 1, 1 0, S is 1, R is 0. If present state is 1, next state is 0, then S which is equal to 0, R which is equal to 1. If present state is 1, next state is 1, don't care 0. Okay, keep in the mind, this is the excitation table. If present state 0 0, next state 0, then what happen in SR? S क्या आएगा, R क्या आएगा. 0 1 S क्या आएगा, R क्या आएगा. 1 0 ये present state is 1, next state is 0. S R क्या होगा, 0 1 1 1 don't care 0. This is the excitation table. By using the characteristic equation हमने Qn plus 1 निकाला. By using excitation table, if we have Qn and Qn plus 1 value, then we can find the values of S and R. Now see here how it is in the truth table. See here, this is the truth table. 0 0 in the excitation table, 0 don't care. S and R, S which is equal to 0 don't care. If 1 1 don't care, 0 in the excitation table. 0 0 0 don't care. 1 0 0 1 in the excitation table. हमने excitation table में देखा. Okay. 0 1 1 0 1 1 don't care 0. 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. Okay. Right. This is called S and R inputs. S and R. क्या क्या किया हमने, जे के क्यू एन एस आर टू जे के फ्लिप फ्लॉप है तो हमने पहले जे के एंड प्रेजेंट स्टेट ले ली. देन यहाँ पे हमने ये 3 इनपुट कंसिडर किए, 3 वेरिएबल्स है तो 8 पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशंस हमने ट्रुथ टेबल बनाया. बाद में क्यू एन प्लस 1 निकाला बाय कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन ऑफ द जे के फ्लिप फ्लॉप. जे क्यू एन बार प्लस के बार क्यू एन, इट इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन ऑफ जे के फ्लिप फ्लॉप. क्यों हमने ऐसा किया, बिकॉज वी हैव द वैल्यू जे के एंड क्यू एन. उससे हमें क्यू एन प्लस 1 निकालने के लिए आता है. क्यू एन प्लस 1 विच इज इक्वल टू जे क्यू एन बार प्लस के बार क्यू एन. बाय यूजिंग द इक्वेशन वी फाइंड हियर वैल्यू क्यू एन प्लस 1. ओके, देयरफॉर इफ सपोज वी हैव क्यू एन एंड क्यू एन प्लस 1, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1. ये कहाँ से आया, हमने जस्ट ट्रांजिशन यहाँ पे कंसिडर किया. सेम स्टेट है 0 0 1 1, दैट इज प्रेजेंट स्टेट एंड नेक्स्ट स्टेट. बाय यूजिंग प्रेजेंट स्टेट एंड नेक्स्ट स्टेट वी कैन फाइंड द इनपुट्स ऑफ द फ्लिप फ्लॉप. हियर देयर इज SR, it is the given flip flop. Okay, therefore 0 0 0 don't care, 1 1 don't care 0. It is from excitation table of the SR flip flop. 0 0 0 don't care, 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 don't care 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. This is the excitation. This is from excitation table of SR flip flop. If we have present value and next value, then we can calculate S and R terminal of the flip flop. Then क्या करेंगे हम, third step is our K-map step. Okay, first step is just generalized model. Second step is truth table. Third step is K-map. By using K-map here logical expressions, and fourth step is actual model, actual conversion model. That is the fourth step. See here we have this truth table. Now we can find by using our K-map value of S. Okay, expression for S and expression for Y, R. Okay, expression for S and expression for R we can find by using K-map. How many variable K-map? 3 variable, 1 2 3 3 inputs are there, therefore 3 variable K-map. By using the 3 variable K-map we can find the value of S and value of R, logic expression for S and logic expression for R. How it is, see here now. The next is K-map. This is the excitation table. See here K-map. See here 3 variable K-map. Our third step is K-map. K-map for S. Here inputs are J, K, Q, N. Okay, K, Q, N for that 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 from the truth table. Okay, for J 0 1. Okay, then put the value here in the K-map pattern. For S values, 0 for that 0, 1 for that don't care. Okay, therefore 1 for that put here don't care, 1 for that put here don't care. Okay, J 0 0 1. If J is 0, K is 0, Qn is 1, then there is don't care. J 0, K is 0, Qn is 1, then don't care in S. This 0 0, then 1 0 0 for that 1. Okay, in the K-map. 1 0 0 1 0 0, j is 1, k is 0, qn is 0, 1 0 0 for that 1 in the k-map. Like that, from the truth table 1 0 1, here don't care. Okay, 0 0 1, here there is don't care. Okay, 1 1 0, there is 1 in the truth table. Okay, right. 1 1 0, j k q n, here there is 1 in the S. Therefore here, by using k-map for S, this is the k-map pattern, 3 variable. Put don't care, this 1 1 by using the truth table. Therefore make the grouping now. Grouping, for grouping, these are considered as adjacent to each other, these two cells. Therefore make the grouping of these two. This is the group. Okay, this is the group. For don't care, don't take the value, any value. If here such group is not there, if suppose this and this, if suppose present, then we can make this only one group. Okay, with don't care. But here there is no chance for the don't care. Therefore make this group. This is the single group and it has value. How it is the value of this group? See here there is j, and when we see here 0 0 and 1 0, means k changes 0 to 1, but qn not change, qn bar remains same. Therefore value of this group is S, which is equal to, this k-map is for S. Okay, S, which is equal to j, this 0, second 0, and this second 0, therefore qn bar. This is same here. Then next is then S, which is equal to j qn bar. This get the logic expression for S. Then just like that, here logic expression for R. Okay, R. For 0 0 0 in the k-map, put as don't care. For 0 1 0 in 3 variable k-map, put don't care. 0 1 1 in 3 variable k-map, put 1, and 1 1 1 put 1. Okay, in the k-map. Therefore k-map for R, which is equal to, how it is, jkqn. This is the k-map pattern for 3 variable. jkqn 0 1 for j value, kn for that 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. This is the gray code pattern. Okay, therefore 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, like that. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, take it whatever 0 0 0, don't care, in our truth table. Okay, 0 1 1, there is 1, 0 1 0, there is don't care in our truth table. 1 1 1, there is 1 in our truth table. Okay, whatever the truth table, 1 1 1 for that 1, then 0 1 1 for that 1, 0 1 0 for that don't care, 0 0 0 for that don't care. By considering 3 variable k-map, put all these things in the k-map. Then make the grouping. How to make the grouping? Grouping of the single bit possible, adjacent bit. Okay, grouping of the double bit possible, grouping of the 4 bits possible, like that. See here, this is the don't care, this is the don't care, 1 1 is there, these two ones are adjacent to each other. Therefore make, this is the first group. Here again don't cares not come in the grouping. Okay, these are the don't care value, here not comes in the grouping. This is the only one group. When we see here j is 0, j bar j, therefore change of 0 to 1. But when we see here for this group, when we see here 1 1, means kqn, this is the value of R, because this is the this k map is for R. Therefore next step is we get the values, we got the values S and R. Here S, which is equal to jqn bar, and R, which is equal to kqn, by using the K-map, 3 variable K-map, and by using that truth table, and truth table comes from characteristic equation and excitation table. Okay, then actual conversion model, how it is, see here, actual conversion model. This is the given flip-flop, already we have discussed here. See here, this is the generalized model, means given flip-flop, SR, given flip-flop, Q and QN bar. These are the outputs. Yes, we know that the logic expression for S, and we know that the logic expression for R. Whatever the logic expression, this logic conversion logic is said to be logic expression for the S and logic expression for the R. How it is? We need to calculate this part. Yes, which is equal to, we know that by using the K-map. Okay, R which is equal to, we know that by using the K-map. This is the generalized model. When we perform the actual model, how it is, see here. S which is equal to JQN bar, R which is equal to KQN. Okay, see here. S R given flip-flop, QN bar, these are output of the SR flip-flop. SR flip-flop is given clock pulse. Consider this is the clock pulse. For any flip-flop, clock pulse needed, okay, to change the state of the flip-flop. Without clock pulse, we cannot define any sequential circuit or any flip-flop. Therefore, S and R, these two inputs, and S which is equal to JQN bar. Okay, ऑलरेडी बाय यूजिंग के मैप हमने कैलकुलेट किया है. तो यस विच इज इक्वल टू जे क्यू एन बार मीन्स देयर इज वन AND gate. Consider this is AND gate. J is given to that AND gate, and QN bar. QN bar means from here. This is, see here, QN bar. This is the QN bar. It is given to input. Here QN bar and J QN bar. It is the output of this AND. Whatever the output of AND, it is given to S. Means S which is equal to J QN bar. And for R which is equal to R क्या आया था? K QN. R it is K QN. K it is the new input, and it is given to again AND gate, and QN. QN is from here. Okay, QN is from here. Okay, right? QN. This is the QN. KQN. This is given to R. S and R. This is the given flip-flop, and this is the conversion logic of the flip-flop. In this way, we can convert any type of flip-flop to another. Here in this example, we considered here SR to JK, means whole this construction, this is the conversion of SR to JK flip-flop. Means अगर ये flip-flop हम पूरा देखते हैं तो ये JK है. कैसे आया? By using SR flip-flop. What is the logic? S which is equal to JQN bar and R which is equal to KQN. Okay, this is called actual conversion model of the flip-flop. Okay, actual conversion model of the flip-flop. This is the actual conversion model of the flip-flop, right? This is the given flip-flop, and this is the conversion logic, and conversion logic is from the truth table. In the truth table, there is use of what? Characteristics equation, and also use of excitation table. By using K-map, we find S, we find R, and here implement that is SR to JK flip-flop. This is the conversion of the SR to JK flip-flop. These are the steps. Now next problem is SR flip-flop to D flip-flop. Previous problem में क्या किया हमने? SR to JK flip-flop किया. Means known flip-flop is SR. Our destination flip-flop is D here. Therefore, whatever the first step is the generalized model. What is mean by generalized model? Whatever the given flip-flop SR to D means known flip-flop is SR. Therefore, construct the SR flip-flop here. SR here clock, it is given to that QN bar. Here QN it is used in the logic, input conversion logic, whether it is used or not. This is the generalized model. Therefore, show it. This is QN bar, it is given. QN it is given. Okay, then D is the only one input to that flip-flop. This is the generalized model. This shows the D flip-flop. Then what is the actual model? How to implement the actual model? By using second step, that is the truth table. Third step, by using K-map, and fourth step, that is the actual implementation model. Then see here how it is, the truth table. Here question is SR2 D flip-flop. Therefore here whatever the destination flip-flop means D flip-flop, we have to convert here in D flip-flop, SR2 D flip-flop. Therefore take first of all D, only one input. प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम में क्या किया था हमने, SR2 JK था तो JK लिया हमने एंड QN लिया. यहाँ पे SR2 D है तो D लेना है एंड QN लेना है. D and Qn, these two variables are there. Therefore possible combinations are 4. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 D Qn. Then consider as Qn plus 1 next state for the D flip-flop. D and Qn we have, then Qn plus 1 by using the characteristic equation. Characteristic equation of D flip-flop is, see here, Qn plus 1 which is equal to D. Okay, characteristic equation of D flip-flop is Qn plus 1 which is equal to D. Okay, therefore here whatever the D input, consider this is the value of Qn plus 1 in the truth table. This is the truth table. Qn plus 1 which is equal to D. Therefore whatever available in D, take as it is in the Qn. 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. Okay, this is said to be Qn plus 1, next state of the flip-flop. If we have D and Qn, Qn plus 1 for the D flip-flop, next state is D. Okay, Qn plus 1 which is equal to D. Therefore whatever available in D, 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1, take as it is in the next step. Okay, this is for D flip-flop. Okay, then the transition state Qn to Qn plus 1, Qn to Qn plus 1, 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 2 0, present state and next state. Okay, present state next state मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, जैसा भी है वैसे as it is लिखा. That is 0 0 0 to 0 1 to 0 1 to 0 0 to 1, present state to next state, 0 to 1 0 to 1 1 to 1 1 to 1. Then we know that this is the present state, this is the next state. Then value of SR by using excitation table of SR flip-flop, we know that. Okay, excitation table of SR flip-flop is, this is the excitation table for SR flip-flop. How it is, 0 0 0, don't care. Qn plus 1, present state next state, 0 0, yes which is equal to 0, R is don't care, 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1, don't care, 0. This is the excitation table for SR flip-flop. Therefore 0 0 means 0 don't care, yes which is equal to 0, R is don't care, 1 0 0 1. Okay, 0 1 1 0 1 1, don't care, 0. This is as per excitation table of SR flip-flop. Okay, then K-map, next step, third step is our K-map. How many variables are there? Only two variables, D and Qn. Okay, then K-map for S, K-map for R. Then how it is, see here, only two variable D and Qn. Therefore this is the K-map pattern for the two variable K-map. Then 0 1 0 1 0 1 2 3. Okay, this is the cell value in decimal. Then in the truth table, see here, for 0 0 there is 0, 0 0 there is 0, 0 1 there is 0, 1 0 there is 1. Okay, and 1 1 there is don't care. Okay, 1 0 D Qn, 0 1 0 1 1 0, then there is 1, and 1 1 there is don't care in the truth table. Therefore make the grouping. Okay, here this is the single one and with don't care. Therefore, take this don't care into the grouping. This is considered as 2 bits. Here, for the 2 bits grouping, it's possible. 2 bits are adjacent. This is don't care, but consider here it is 1. Make this is the first group. Okay, this is one group. Therefore, value of this group it is D, and here there is change. Therefore, don't take. Only here value of S, this K-map is for S which is equal to D. It is the logic expression. Now about the R. What is the K-map pattern for R? Okay, again 2 variable K-map because D and Qn are the 2 variables. Therefore R is 0 0 for that don't care. Again this is the K-map for R, 0 0 for that don't care, then 0 1 for that 1, 0 1 for that 1, 0 1 for that 1. Okay, and others 0 0. Therefore don't take. This is the group. Therefore value of this group is, when we see here it is D bar. When we see here then there is change. Therefore don't take any value of Qn. Therefore R which is equal to D bar. This is the value. S which is equal to D and R which is equal to D bar. These are said to be logic conversion values of the flip-flop. Then here actual conversion model, how it is, this is the given flip-flop. SR is given, SR to D. We need to convert SR to D. Okay, SR is the given flip-flop. Therefore write S and R, Qn and Qn bar. Okay, then after that yes is the input. Consider this is the clock pulse. For any flip-flop, here clock pulse it is given. For any counter, for any sequential circuit without clock pulse, it does not work. Okay, right. Therefore S and R, these two terminals, S which is equal to what? S which is equal to D. Therefore consider D input. D is given directly to the S, and R which is equal to D bar means R which is, for consider one inverter here, this is D bar and connected to R. In this way, here we completed the conversion of the flip-flop by considering SR to JK and SR to D flip-flop. Okay.
Oh, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. We will discuss in the next lecture remaining part.